things are about to get very serious. Each summer, Vancouver hosts a fireworks competition called the Festival of Lights, where 3 countries come together and compete to have the best display. Tonight is the grand finale. Traffic's gonna be out of control tonight. The roads are closed. Bikes are okay, but really the best mode of transportation on a night like this is definitely the skateboard. Text Marty. So luckily, a really good friend of mine has an awesome spot right on Beach Avenue to launch fireworks. Just make my way over there. Crowds like this, it's important to have an apartment to go to. Marty's apartment, major key. Hey-o! What's up, guys?
Yeah.
What's up, Marty?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my humble abode. You'll happen to notice here this exquisite view of English Bay here that I've happened to be blessed with. And you'll notice the beautiful barge right over there where the fireworks will be taking place. It's the main event for the long weekend here in the West End.